Good morning, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm using my Instant Pot and I'm going to make potato salad. And I have in here right now 6 eggs that I'm boiling or cooking in my Instant Pot, and you can see there's 3 more minutes to go, and then I'll do a quick release, get them out, peel them, and put them in the refrigerator because I want them to get cold before I put them in the potato salad. And then after these get done, I do all that to the eggs. Then I'll put the potatoes. I've got about 4 pounds of gold potatoes, and I'll put them in here and I'll cook them. When I get back to that point, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I've got all the potatoes. It's a good 4 pounds worth of potatoes. I've got them all cubed up, and I'll show you the size. You can do it littler than this, but this is about the size. This is about the size that I do mine for my potato salad. And I've just got them in this bowl, and they're covered with water. And I'm going to put them in here. I'm not using a trivet. I'm not using anything like that. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of salt in here because potatoes are very, very hard to, and I don't want to keep adding salt. So if I go on and get them to where they should be now, I won't have to keep adding salt. Because I do I do want to make sure that my potato salad is good. Alright, so I've got the potatoes in here. I'm going to make sure that I've got this closed to sealing. I'm going to put the lid on, lock it. Alright, let me get you down. Alright, I'm going to go manual. I'm going to go down to 12 minutes. I probably could get by with less time than that, but I'm just learning my Instant Pot. I love it so much that I cook everything in it, and I'm still learning what I can and how long I can cook things in it and stuff like that. So I've got this on 12 minutes, and when I get ready to finish making the potato salad, I'll bring you back. Alright, here's the potatoes, and I usually don't rinse my potatoes at all, run cold water over them because I don't let them get cooked as much. These are gold potatoes. I cooked them in the Instant Pot for, I probably could have cooked these for 9 minutes because these are very, very, very soft, a lot softer than I like my potatoes to be when I make potato salad. So I've got these in a bowl now. I'm going to cover them up. They're going into the refrigerator until they cool off, and I'll bring you back when I get ready to make the potato salad. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show y'all, this is my dill. And I don't know why the stalks, or whatever you want to call them, are getting so thick. I've never had them do that before. I'm going to cut off some of them, and I'm going to use the dill in my potato salad. And it says not to wash dill, so I've got to really be careful with this. It also says to use it as soon as you get it off, so I'm putting it in my potato salad. And I don't know if any of y'all know why these stalks are getting so big. If you could explain it to me, maybe I'll understand. I've just never seen them do this before. They're just really, really big. I mean, look at the end on that, how big it is. It's just really big. Alright, and over here, let me see. Over here's my basil is right here, and my rosemary, my chives, my parsley's on the other side. My sage is up there, and then my thyme. And my sage, I've never planted sage before. I really don't even know what to do with it. I just got it, and it's doing so good that I really don't know what to do with it. But anyway, I'm going to go back in here now, and I'm going to make my potato salad, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm ready to put everything in here now. I've got a half of a red onion. I used this half of a red onion in here. I got a bunch of dill. I cut it all up into little bitty pieces, kind of spread it out. I've got the 6 eggs that I boiled, and I've taken my potato masher and just like mashed them up. That one needs to be mashed up a little bit more. I don't mash them up too little, but I don't want them too big either. So that's in there. Alright, and now I'm going to take mayonnaise, and I don't ever measure anything. I just kind of put it in here. I would say at least a cup of mayonnaise. At least. Alright, that's about a cup right there, I think. Alright, and then I'm going to put about a cup of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to put sweet pickle relish in here. And I don't measure that either. Probably about a third of a cup of that. And then mustard, a good, let me shake it up. A good 2 tablespoons of that with as much potatoes as I used. And I may have to go back and put a little bit more mustard in there. And then about a tablespoon of vinegar. And then I'll taste it for salt and pepper. Well, I haven't put any pepper yet. And I haven't put any salt, but I put salt in the potatoes. So, let me get this all mashed up. I mean, not mashed up, but mixed up. And it's no sense in you sitting here watching me do this, and I'll bring you back and we'll taste it. Okay, I wanted to bring you back. Alright, I've mixed it up. And I haven't tasted it yet, but I'm going to go in and put... I'm just going to put some salt, grab some out of the bowl, and put it around in the bowl. And then I'm going to get some pepper. And I'm just getting some out of my pepper bowl. Alright. Some of it. And these potatoes out, like I said, I really could have cooked the potatoes a lot less than I did. I probably could have cooked them in 9 minutes. Maybe even less than that with them being cut up. Alright, let me take a taste. It's still warm. As far as that is really, really good. I just love dill in potato salad. I don't know why, but if you've got fresh dill at your house, and you're growing dill, try it in your potato salad. I mean, it's really good. Alright, now I'm going to put this back in the fridge, and I like my potato salad cold, even though now it's warm and it still tastes good, but when we eat, I want it to be cold. So, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I hope you like this recipe. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and certain things that you can buy off of Amazon, especially to do with the Instant Pot. I just love my Instant Pot. I'm still just getting to know it more, and just like on this, I found out that I can, there's a lot of things that I can change about it, and as I use it, I'll learn that. So, you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.